We are assembling the coffee cup. So I've got all my pieces here, and I'm going to start by folding my cup. This file does have panels for the cup if you want to use them. If you just want a plain white cup, then don't use your panels. And I'm going to start just by putting these two pieces together and applying my panels. And there is a small border all the way around. This paper is from Maja. I think that's how they say it. And it's called Coffee in the Arbor. It has very rich tones. I really like this paper a lot. So you just want to take your time, pay attention to your lines, your score lines, so you can see where you're applying your panels. It is much easier to put them on while this is flat rather than putting your card together and then trying to get the panels on. So I see very, very simple. And then I always like to just take a minute and test the fit of my bottom piece before I actually put glue on. I feel like it helps me get it on good. So you just go all the way around applying your glue. And now let's feel our way to get this on. I'm just pinching and squeezing to get the corners to pop out. Then let me find my bone folder to use. There we go. That's very quick. And this piece, you just want to find to slide it up and down your cup until you find where it's fitting. And then I would suggest gluing it in place first, and you don't need a whole lot of glue. You just need it to kind of stay put. And so your last edge here, you don't want to glue that all the way down because you need this tab to go under it. You're going to put glue on the top of your tab. Just line that up. Oops. And now that I'm seeing how this went together, I think you would be better off putting it together first. I don't know if I can get that off now. And then putting it on. Mine did not line up exactly right. There we go. And now you've got your lid. So you're going to start just by folding the biggest piece here on the score lines. We're not going to glue it together until we put the top piece in it, because it will be easier to glue this piece in when this piece can still go flat. Okay. And so let's fold our side tabs over. And then you're going to fold down, and then your tab here folds up, because that's going to glue here in this rim. Okay, so fold down and fold up. Okay. And now I'm just folding everything back down to make it fit in here easier. And I'm not going to glue my tabs yet either, because I need to be able to maneuver my lid. And as I get it in, I'm turning these up, like so, just like that. And I'm going to start by anchoring two of these First this one, and then the one opposite it. Okay, just like that. There we go. And so put a little dot of glue on my tabs. You just need a small dot to hold it. And I guess you could, you know, if you really want to, you can glue these tabs down first. The only thing, it depends on how well your machine cuts. You may need a little more adjustment with this when you're fitting it in. Some people never calibrate their machines so they don't cut exactly right. And so if you put it in and then glue your tabs, it just makes it easier, I think, but that is just a personal preference. And being able to use your table to get these tabs down is definitely easier than doing the sides of this piece and then putting this in, because this is so much easier. Okay, and now we can put our lid together. I'm going to put glue on both the tabs at the end. And there you have it. There is your coffee cup. Thank you for joining me.